going to make creamy almond milk this morning in my Mod cold press juicer. And it's a really simple recipe because you only need 3 ingredients: raw unsalted almonds, filtered water, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last night I put some raw almonds in a bowl with filtered water and covered it up. And I let it sit there overnight, but you need to let it sit for at least 6 hours. Now I'm going to drain these almonds and rinse them off. Pop them back in the bowl. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so it's working really, really well. I'm popping in a few almonds, followed by 100 to 200 mils of water each time. All right, let's see how that's going. You can flavor your almond milk by adding in some maple syrup, some cinnamon, some salt, or what I'm going to use today is some vanilla extract, and I've got half a teaspoon here. I'm going to pop it in now. What I like to do is take off the filter and pour my almond milk into a jar. This will last for around 3 days if you place it in the fridge with the lid on. My personal favorite part to the whole process, the taste test. Let's see how delicious this actually is. That's really good. It's really creamy, frothy, and it tastes clean. It tastes refreshing. And the best part is there's no additives or preservatives. You know exactly what's gone into your morning milk. I'll definitely be making this again.